Normally, the application workshop is a very well-framed process. And those frames are there to help the students really excel and feel comfortable, and really with no idea how it's going to work. Could we actually break 30 years of tradition and choose students based on merit, based on interviews, and not seeing them physically?
Things were changing pretty rapidly. There was a lockdown happening that was much larger and greater than we had anticipated. And I think Zoom gave this safe, closed space with the applicants.
I think what we learned most about was actually the part where the applicants had different sneak peeks into our community. That part I think could be interesting to develop a bit more.
I think never before has a group of, or have a team of KS pilots been so involved in designing the frames of the whole application workshop. They just went out and hacked and got as much out of Zoom, Google Docs, Mural, Miro. They just pushed them all to the limit. And as an organisation, we've learned so much. So we're very excited to see where they go with this massive deep dive into virtual learning.